Oh yes! Here we go! Hello everybody, just wanted to come to you from my headquarters today in the UK. We are doing an unboxing video at Neondirect, so as you can see we've got a nice 150 centimeter sign here. Should be really awesome, so let's get it open for you. So as you can see guys, this comes really nicely packed and protected from us here. This is just how you would receive your particular neon sign. Get it open, just be nice and gentle when you go around the edges. So as you can see, really nice and protected in there. If you're looking at this, good level of packaging just to protect the front there. I'm gonna come around this way to remove these bits of cardboard. Okay, so first thing I just wanna show you, I'm just gonna come over to this camera. So you get a really nice hanging wire if you opt for that. So as you can see, hanging wire in there. Comes with some mounts just so you can secure that if you're hanging it from a frame or potentially on a wall. So you've got a power supply there. You've got your control box here and your dimmer box, and also a remote control. Now for the most amazing part, we've got the actual sign itself. So as you can see, this is all bubble wrapped, nice and protected. I'm just going to spin this round so that you can see it. Hopefully I'm clever enough to do this single-handedly. I'd always recommend bringing a friend or family member to give you a hand unboxing our larger signs. Definitely a good idea. So we've got happy birthday here, custom 150 centimeter in warm white. This is what it looks like when it's off. It's on an acrylic backboard. You can see here that it's transparent. When the fixture is actually on your wall, you won't notice too much. So that's how it looks when you get it unboxed. As you can see, it's all securely packaged to the actual backboard here, just to give it extra protection in transit before it reaches you. So I'm just going to get this cardboard out of the way now, and we'll get on to the next part of the unboxing and get it all turned on for you. Hey everyone, as you can see, we've now put up our happy birthday sign from Neondirect in the warm white color. Really easy to put up, and it also comes with this remote, so it's really straightforward to turn the sign off, on. And there's a couple of different modes as well. You can have a 10% setting, 20%, 30%, 40, 50, and then all the way up to 100%. We also have some different modes as well inside this particular unit. So if you press the mode button on your remote, you can see you have like a pulsing mode, which is really cool. You can actually speed this up as well. So if you wanted more of like a party atmosphere, you can create that. It's really cool. Hopefully you can see that okay on the camera. It really makes the room glow and look quite awesome. You can set it back to the normal light mode in just one click. All of these particular fixtures come in a variety of colors. So if you don't like this warm white one, you could get it in a multiple selection of other colors as well. So definitely check out our website and see what you like the look of. So just to let you know, this fixture is in the 150 centimeter size. So if I just come across and stand in front of it, I'm about 5'10". So just to give you an idea, that gives you a kind of reference as to how big this sign is in 150 centimeters. Hopefully that's helpful. This particular font as well is called Brittany's Signature. If you're looking on our website, this is the one you want to choose if you're after this font. As you can see here, this power cable just goes down from the actual light. It travels into our control box, which I'll get you a close-up on, which is here, which then goes into our power pack. So just mains to power pack to the control box. Then your remote talks to the control box and will allow you to control the light wirelessly